show you exactly how to contact Revolut support to resolve transfer issues, frozen accounts, or card delivery questions, including the hidden live chat, the emergency phone lines, and even how to get a human agent to call you directly if you're a premium user. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. The first and fastest method for everyone is the in-app chat. This is the primary way to get help. It's available 24/7, even on Sundays. Open your Revolut app and tap your profile icon, which is the circle in the top left, and tap Get More Help and tap Chat with Us. You'll start with an AI bot named Rita. To skip the bot, don't type your whole story yet. Just type Live Agent. If it asks again, type Human. This will bypass the AI and put you in the queue for a real person. Another method is the in-app call for premium, metal, and ultra users only. If you have a paid plan, you have a feature most people don't know about: phone support. Go to your help section in your app. If you're a premium, metal, or ultra member, you will see a specific support tab for your plan. For example, ultra support. Inside the chat screen, look for the phone icon in the top right corner. You can tap this to start a secure in-app call with an agent. Note that this is currently only available in English. If you can't log in because you lost your phone or your account is restricted, you can use the email and web method. Send a message to support@revolut.com. This is the only way to reach them if you can't get past the login screen. To chat with Revolut on the web, go to help.revolut.com on a browser. If you can log in there, you can use the web-based chat, which is mirrored from the app. If you've been waiting a long time, tweet at Revolut app on X. They can't see your personal details there, but they can escalate your open chat ticket to a supervisor. Finally, you can also use the emergency automated phone line. Revolut has a phone number, but you cannot speak to a person on it. It is an automated system for emergencies only. The number is +1 844 744 3512 in the US, or +44 2033 228352 in the UK. Use this if your phone was stolen or you need to block your card immediately and don't have app access. It will guide you through recorded prompts to secure your account. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.